Welcome viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of digital guardianship with Microsoft PC Manager. So buckle up because this security tool is about to become your PC's best friend, believe me. So what is Microsoft PC Manager? Imagine having a silent sentinel that watches over your PC day and night. That's what Microsoft PC Manager does. It's like a ninja, quiet, efficient, and fiercely protective. So let's dive in and check it out how we can download this Microsoft PC Manager and the features that are available in it. So first, go to your Microsoft Store, find the application called Microsoft PC Manager. This is the application that we are looking. Click here. Currently, I have already installed Microsoft PC Manager in my system. So I am getting this open option here. So if you haven't installed this Microsoft PC Manager, you will see here one install button. Go ahead, install this application into your system. Once you have installed, go to your overhead and here you will see this PC Manager application sitting here. Just go ahead and click it. So let's see what are the features and functions available here in the PC Manager. So under home, you can see your PC needs a health check. It is showing like your PC needs a health check. That means I have to do the health check now. So at the very first, you will see this PC boost button. So PC Manager sweeps away the digital dust, free up your space, and boost performance. So say goodbye to sluggishness. Just go ahead, give this a boost. Great. It's done. Now come to your health check. Now it is looking for the system health check. It is showing there are some temporary files. These temporary files are very less in size because this is a very clean system. So in your case, it might be higher. So go ahead, check the boxes and go ahead and hit proceed. Done. Go back to your home page. Similarly, you can check the process and also you can perform the deep cleanup. This is one of the most handy feature which is available straight here and you can just go ahead and click proceed. Done. So it's super quick and fast also. You can also do your antivirus scan in protection. Just go ahead and do the scan. Like it is equipped with Microsoft Defender engine, so you don't need to worry about this one. This is also a very good feature. You can also do the Windows update here from this uh, option here. You can also do the default browser setting. You can also do the taskbar repair, restore default apps, and also manage your pop-ups. Come to your storage section. Here you will see the deep cleanup. You can see local disk C is available to scan. If I do the scan, it will look for system cleanup and all other files to cleaning. So I can see I have few files which are there for cleanup. I can go ahead and click proceed. So there are applications available also like process management, startup apps. If you are facing longer login time, boot time, then you can go ahead and manage your startup apps from here also. You can also launch your Microsoft Store page from here also. And this is one of the great feature that toolbox you can see here. If I toggle it on, and I release here at the top middle of the screen, you can see this is now available for me just by hovering over it. If I hover it, it shows me like what is the boost can I do. I can take the screenshot. I can open up my notepad. If I click here, it will open up my notepad here. I can launch my Microsoft Office also. I can directly go into the settings also. So this is one of the good toolbar which is available here. So you can turn off, turn on. It is available. So after turning on, just go and drag and drop it. So there are so many things that you can do with Windows tools, like you have recorder and so many features are there. You can also launch your Bing translator, currency converters. And once You can also check in settings like you have the smart. Currently, I have set the smart boost setting turned on. Suppose, for example, if your temporary file reaches 1 GB and above, the smart boost will, automatically boost your PC and clean the temporary file from the systems. Also, if you want to launch this PC manager during startup of your Windows, just toggle it on. So I hope this wonderful PC manager will be very helpful application. Like you can say master of all keys for system maintenance. So go ahead and check this out. So, so this is something, all Microsoft PC Manager is your secret member. Download it, install it, and let it wave its magic. Smash that like button, subscribe, and remember, keep your PC safe, sound, and stylish. Thank you so much, guys, for your time. See you in my next video.